Companies come to us with a variety of motivations, but mostly they want a problem solved.
Jay leads the Center for Business Analytics, which connects corporate sponsors and Master of Science in Business Administration students for a 9-month consulting project.
Flexmetrics wanted to do some predictive analytics around catastrophic downtime of machines.
Flex is like a Fitbit for manufacturing. We put a device on a manufacturing line, just like a Fitbit, pick up a pulse, and then provide metrics you can pull up on your phone or put up on an Andon display.
The predictive analytics module is taking the data that we're capturing, finding the story in the data, and pushing that story out to the people in a way that allows them to anticipate what is likely to happen.
Flexmetrics sponsored a Capstone project with the CBA to build predictive analytics capabilities into their product.
Flexmetrics had a great idea coming to us, not one just with their problem, but the idea of having interns work in the summer prior to the project experience.
We had 4 students that joined us for the internship, and the vision was that they would actually spend time in customers' facilities, engaged with users of Flex, watching how they use it. And it was intended to be an R&D assignment. That became the basis for a Capstone project.
We found that the majority of our time at these manufacturing plants, we were on the floor, we were helping people, we were going around and figuring out what they do on a daily basis and how they use Flex. Once we got into our actual Capstone, we figured out how we could implement that and how could we make that easier for them, because it's not an easy job.
You don't understand how hard it is to work as an operator unless you're actually going through their day and working like them. And that's what also really made this Capstone project mission-oriented.
After the summer internship, all 4 master students chose to continue with Flexmetrics for their Capstone. Capstone teams use the same process and skills used by leading consulting firms around the world.
A large portion of our Capstone project was making our machine learning model. Once we had some of the code narrowed down, it now was a matter of fitting that into a service that Flexmetrics could use.
Our team developed a predictive analytics product for Flexmetrics. It's a new feature in addition to their current software and services provided to their clients.
We visited Flex customer Spectrum Brands to hear how this tool would make a difference in their manufacturing.
So Spectrum Brands is a global company. We make living better at home. So we focus a lot on home and personal care, along with pet care. Weekly, we look at our Flex data and look at our downtime information. So you're looking at if the equipment is supposed to run, how well is it running?
So we've got monitors out there that tells you where your performance is for each line. What gets measured gets fixed, right? So we've got the data. We used it to not only protect ourselves and our investment, but to get better as a team with the manufacturers. I'm probably saving 180, 190 hours per month. So that's free uptime, right?
Esther and Isaac chose to start their careers at Flexmetrics.
Dawn reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work for Flex. After working with them, I had the same idea and same vision of what I wanted to do after coming out of school. It made me feel like me joining Flex could help make the company better. Having
someone at Flex see my work ethic and notice it made me realize that they knew what I was capable of and they saw my potential, and it was somewhere that I was meant to be.
This is an incredible win-win. To have very talented students to help you solve a problem, to help you build a product. Flex won, our customers won. Anybody who's in business knows that it's all about getting the right people, and Esther and Isaac were great to work with.
The outcome of the project is really a success story. Flexmetrics is incorporating the tools that our students built into a separate product line, and for their benefit also, they hired 2 of our students into Flexmetrics who can help them do that. So for that involvement, they got 2 student hires and really a new product line that should be a revenue generator for their company.
I think this program and Capstone is a great way for our companies to get access to the talent and resources inside of Virginia Tech, which is an amazing service that the Pamplin School provides.